Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about few important functions of Excel, mainly index and match functions. So index function is basically used for finding a value from a group of array from a particular row and column, and match function is used for getting the exact value from a large database in Excel. Okay friends, so to get more information about the same, let's go through the index function first. So the index function returns a value of a specified cell within an array, right? So we will look at the syntax. So syntax is index, then array, then row number, and then column number. So I will explain you this in very simplified way. So array stands for the range which we are looking at in a cell. So as you can see this example, this is the range A, B, C, and this is the range. The next comes the row number. Row number one here, as mentioned, row number for which row we are looking the value, and next comes the column number, in which column we are looking for the value. Here is an example of index function, how it is used. Index, we are selecting the range. Here it is A1 to C5, and we are indenting to find the value in fifth row and third column, where fifth row and third column intersects. So as you can see, fifth row and third column, the intersecting value is 234. So we got the output as 234. So what we are actually stating is, we are here starting from the upper left, we move down to the fifth row and right to the third column. So we indent to find a particular value, so from a group of database. So we find using the index function. The next more simplified function used is match function. So as we go through the match function, what match function returns the position of a specific value within a column or row. It, here it is written position of a specific value. So we will look at a position, we will look at the syntax. It shows match, lookup value, lookup array, and match type. First is lookup value. Lookup value is the value which you are looking at. For example, in this table, what I am looking at, the value is pliers. In this table I want to find the value word pliers from array. So from which range I am looking at the value? So this is the range, complete range. I am looking at the value A1 from A1 to A5. And then match type. Match type indicates that the value which we have selected, do we want the exact value to match from the database, or should we find the smallest value, or should we find the largest value from the value which we have selected. For example, here you have selected pliers, we have selected range, and we are saying 0. 0 means exact match. So we have to find the word pliers from this set pliers, and once it searches pliers from this range, it gives a position that it is found in fourth position, as we have discussed here, position of the specific value. Similarly, if you look at another example, we are finding a specific number 66 from this from the range A3 to C3, and we are looking for exact match. So match function will look for value 66 in this range. If I go here, 66 value comes here. So this 66 value it is finding, and it is saying that it is in third position of the range which we have selected. So first, second, third, right? So it is actually matching the number 66 in row third, we find it in third column, so it is returning third column. So this is about match function. So friends, you may be thinking how to use this in Excel and what are the applications in Excel. So I will show you one example how these functions are used widely. So let's move to the Excel sheet. Fine. So as you can see here, I have taken data a data of a store where they have a particular set of garments and particular size of the garments, and here pricing of each and every product is mentioned. For example, if I say shorts and if I want medium shorts, so it is costing 160 rupees. So in this way, for a retail shopper or any other person who is working and and who wants this data is there. Okay, so let's move ahead. So suppose if I want to find a particular value from this large set of data on a single click, how could I find out? So what parameters I need is, first is product. So these are the products, and the next is size. So these are the sizes. So what I will do, I will make a drop or a particular selection which are required in this cell. Then I will select this cell, I will go to data, I will go to data validation, then I will go to list and I will select this product, select OK. So as you can see here, a drop down symbol is seen. If I click on this, I may see all the drop downs: socks, shorts, pants, t-shirts, sweaters. So this is one set of drop down which are required. The next set of drop down is the size. So to bring the size from the user perspective and to make this more easy to use, so what I will do, I will go to size, I will select data validation, I will go to list and I will select the sizes which are required. I will click on OK. So what I am doing, I am making a list where I can select particular products and size which I require, and I want to pop up the price in this cell. So I would make a combination of index and match function in this way. I will type index, okay, index, and I require data from this set. So I will select this set and I will fix this range, and I will fix this range. Then what I will do, I need an exact match. I need to match whatever product I select here from this whole range. So I would select the function match this pants what product we have selected from this particular array, and what I want is exact match. So I will select exact match and close it, and I will fix the range as I don't want as I want to select in particular range only. The next thing comes is match. First I have done with product, the next thing is I need to match size. So matching size, I would select C10 from this range, and I would prefer exact match. Okay, then I will close the parenthesis and I will fix this range. And then as you can see, my bracket is open, I need to close it for making the syntax complete, and I will click enter. So as you can see, the product pants and size small. If I go here, product is pants and smile is small, so it costs 250 rupees. So here it is displayed in this cell. Now if I go to, if I select shorts, if I select shorts and if I select large, then the price appears 180. So shorts and large, so it cost me 180 rupees. So similarly, I can make a selection as required, and the prices are displayed in this cell. So in this way we can use index and match function in Excel to ease our operations. Yeah. So friends, hope you like this video, and please like the video if you find it informative, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. Thank you.